In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fun educational puzzles in Canva. Hi everyone, this walkthrough is perfect for beginners, and by the end you'll have a polished puzzle ready for print or digital use. First, open Canva and start a blank design, or pick a template if you want a head start on layout. Choose a size that matches your goal, A4 or letter for printing, or a square canvas if you're planning to share on social media. Next, decide what kind of puzzle you want to make. You can go with a jigsaw-style activity, a crossword, a matching game, or a word search. Think about the age group and learning objective so the format and difficulty make sense. A matching puzzle is great for vocabulary or image recognition, while a word search or crossword works well for spelling and subject review. Head to the Elements tab and open grids or shapes to build your puzzle structure. Grids are perfect for neat sections, like a word bank or a matching layout. Shapes can become jigsaw pieces, boxes for crossword letters, or tiles for a memory game. Use lines to create borders and dividers, and rely on Canva's snap and alignment guides to keep everything tidy. Now add your content. Type in your words, clues, or instructions, and drop in images where relevant. For a matching puzzle, place pictures on one side and labels on the other. For a word search, lay out a letter grid and include a clear word list. Keep the wording concise and the objective obvious so learners know exactly what to do. Customize your fonts, colors, and sizes to boost clarity and engagement. Choose a clean, high-contrast font for readability, use color to group related items, and make headings stand out. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts and a simple palette so the design feels cohesive. Arrange everything neatly and make it practical. Align and evenly space pieces, and leave comfortable margins for printing. If you plan to cut out pieces, add a slightly thicker outline or dotted guides to make trimming easier. For digital use, keep important areas large enough to tap and read on a phone or tablet. Preview your puzzle to catch any issues. Zoom in to check spelling, spacing, and alignment. Make quick tweaks until it feels balanced and easy to understand. When you're happy, download your design. Choose PDF for printing to keep lines sharp, or PNG for digital sharing. And that's how you create educational puzzles with Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.